Let us now critique another version of the numDays function. This time, this code has been written by our friend, but our friend has used a very different approach to solving this problem. Firstly, our friend has a couple of if conditions here, one of which will look familiar to you, the check for February, but both of them deal with certain special inputs. So the first condition deals with the situation where the month is illegal, and we handle that immediately. Secondly, we deal with February, and we handle that. But in both these cases, there's some new syntax that we haven't yet seen. So I will explain this new syntax to you. But first, I want you to observe this style that our friend has chosen. This style of writing code is actually very popular. We typically write functions to handle certain types of inputs. And we only want certain inputs to be given to our function. Some of this information we indicate through type hints. But as we have seen in this example, sometimes someone might give us an input such as month equals 0, which is allowed by the type hint, but for that, our function needs to behave in a special way. So many professional programmers like writing code in this format, where you handle these special cases first, and then the more typical cases are handled later on in the code. Why do people do this? It turns out others find it easier to understand their code. Others can see that they have handled cases like illegal months and special months like February. And then they know, because of these return statements, that the only way you can come to the later piece of code is when those special cases have been handled. It makes it easier for others to reason about your code. So our friend has done a good job here with structuring their code.